Hi, my dear students. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to English class. Dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Dear students, today we'll start a new chapter that is my experiment with the truths. It's written by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. It is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. Dear students, what is autobiography? Autobiography means the person's life is written by that person. It's called autobiography. M.K. Gandhi is also known as father of the nation, and we also called him dear Bapu. So let's go to the topic. The students, the topic is My Experiments with Truth. Is written by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So students, first we should know about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. He was India's most important political and spiritual leader. He is honored in India as Father of the Nation. His non-violent protest led to independence for India from the British. Gandhiji was a prolific writer. He edited several newspapers. Gandhiji also wrote several books, including his autobiography, The Story of My Experiments with Truth. It is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. He died on January 30, 1948. So, students, you knew about Mahatma Gandhi. So, let's go to the topic. Let's recite. I must have been about 7 when my father left Porbandar for Rajkot to become a member of the Rajasthan court. There I was put into a primary school, and I can recollect those days, including the names and other particulars of the teachers who taught me. I could only have been a mediocre student. Students, mediocre means average, common, normal. I had already reached my 12th year. I do not remember having ever told a lie, either to teachers or to my schoolmates. I used to be very shy and avoid all company. My books and my lessons were my solo companions. To be at school at the stroke of the hour and to run back home as soon as the school closed. That was my daily habit. I ran back because I could not bear to talk to anybody. I was even afraid lest anyone should poke fun at me. So, my dear students, Gandhiji is saying that when he was 7, his father left Porbandar and went to Rajkot to become the member of Rajasthan court. There Gandhi was put into a primary school. He was an average student. He never likes to talk anybody and was very shy for him. His books and his lessons were his best friends. He used to go to school and come back as soon as the school closed, and it was his daily routine or say habit. There was an incident which occurred in the examination. My first year at the high school, and which is worth recording, Mr. Giles, the educational inspector, had come on a visit for inspection. He had given us 5 words to write as a spelling exercise. One of the words was kettle. I had misspelled it. The teacher tried to prompt me with the point of his boot, but I would not be prompted. It was beyond me to see that he wanted me to copy the spelling from my neighbor's slate. For I had thought that the teacher was there to supervise us against coughing. The result was that all the boys except me were found to have spelt every word correctly. Only I had been stupid. The teacher tried later to explain this stupidity to me, but without effect. I never could learn the art of coughing. So, dear students, here Gandhiji is talking about his incident from high school. Mr. Giles, educational inspector, came to school for inspection. He gave the children 5 words as the spelling exercise, and kettle was a word misspelled by Gandhiji. His teacher tried to prompt him, but Gandhiji was an honest student and he did not copy it from another student. As a result, other students had written its spelling correctly except Gandhiji. He could never learn the art of copying. The students, I think you all are understood the part 1 of the topic. So thank you. Have a good day for you. All the best. Stay home. Safe life.